Want to learn how to make six figures as an IT professional? It is a lot easier than you think. You don't need a 4-year degree or some expensive IT school. You also don't need 100 different IT certifications. In fact, there is a new way that over hundreds burnout 9-to-5ers have taken advantage of that, can get you a six-figure IT job in a short period of time. It is called TS4U IT Bootcamp. I am Shiblu Ahmad. I am the founder of TS4U IT Bootcamp. It is Michigan State approved IT training provider. I came here with $100 in pocket. I have done everything successfully in a very short period of time. You can do it. Hundreds of people we have successfully placed in six-figure IT position, and they are working from home. At TS4U, we promise you 3 outcomes. Number 1, we'll teach you the skills needed to land the highest IT jobs. We do this by using a proven technique and framework that we build and customize for you, regardless of your situation or background. Number 2, we will help you become a master interviewer. Through hundreds of students who have mastered the art of interviewing successfully. So when it comes the time to land your dream IT job, you can do so with ease. We make sure you get placed in a top-paying IT role. Once you have mastered the techniques and the skills we teach you, both for the field and interview process, we actually assist and guarantee you will have the ability to land a six-figure role in the IT space. And in a matter of months, our students have been able to acquire the skills to perform as a top IT professional and land top IT jobs. For example, Shams was bouncing job to job. During the pandemic, we were able to help him to land six-figure IT position in a short period of time. Kaiser went from an exhausted office worker to work from home making $90 an hour. Tanya, a working mother with no tech background, was able to land a six-figure salary in tech industry in 6 months. If you study your journey to six figures, click that below and DM the word TS4U for more information.